Hi, I'm Kevin Rutherford. Welcome to RG's Talent Tips. Today I'm going to share with you my family secret for achieving big goals. So let's dive right in. Now, I don't know about you, but I love setting and achieving big goals. It's the fuel that drives my day, because achieving goals can change and improve your life like nothing else. But achieving goals is often easier said than done. It's easy to get sidetracked or even super frustrated when things are not progressing either as fast or as smooth as you would have liked. Now, maybe you're taking on something that you've never done before and you need to learn new skills. Or maybe obstacles keep getting in the way of you finishing. The key is staying focused. For decades, I've used one powerful technique to help me stay focused on goal attainment. It's simple but not easy, and if it's done consistently, it is very, very powerful. Now, I learned this technique from my dad, who learned it from his dad. My family secret? Every day, I write down and keep a record of my wins and learnings for the day. This one little technique has been such a huge part of my growth and success in achieving big goals. Now, what I love about this technique is by using it every day, it enables me to track my progress, learn more about myself, gain confidence, and really helps recalibrate my mindset. Now, I think you'd agree that achieving a big goal overnight is rare. Not impossible, but rare. Instead, you start the journey and then you make progress over time. Now, the unfortunate thing is that slow pace can be a problem for high achievers because we want everything to happen quickly. But when change is gradual, it's so subtle that you oftentimes don't see it. However, if you track your wins along the way, you can begin to benchmark your success. Suddenly, it's much clearer on how far you've come. You'll see significant progress where you didn't see any before, and in this shift in perception is going to inspire you and motivate you to do more and more. Because after all, success can be addictive. We like the way it makes us feel. The takeaway here, be sure to own more of those micro wins along the way to the big goal. Now, logging wins is more than a feel-good that we get for making progress. It also creates an opportunity for us to learn from those experiences. Wins are never accidental. And when I reflect on the events and the mindsets and decisions and actions that really led to my success, I always see patterns. There's a chance that some of those patterns will be repeatable. Now, I log those into my memory bank and then I add another notch of tacit learning to my tool belt. Because in other words, if I did something once and it worked out, then there's a strong likelihood that I can do it again when faced with a similar challenge. Success leaves clues. Now, I find that writing down my wins helps me switch on the frame of mind that I need to really keep going and moving forward regardless of the situation that I face. Now, when I record and celebrate the small victories along the way, it creates a string of successes that build up my confidence. They serve as proof that what I'm doing is getting me closer and closer to attaining my goals. Now, imagine how much better life would feel and how you'd feel about yourself if every day you made a dent, no matter how small or how big, in your biggest goals. Now you know why I always say life is good. Mindset and sustained progress breed confidence. Just keep grinding. So if you want to achieve more goals, I encourage you to make it a habit to write down your wins and learnings every day, no matter how small. Over time, you'll create this catalog of successes which you can then refer back to anytime that old self-doubt creeps in. And when you have proof that you've done it before, you'll find it easier to believe that you can step up again. It's really an empowering behavior that's going to help you go even further than you currently imagine is possible for you. And if you win the day every day, you'll also win the week, the month, the quarter, the year, the decade, maybe even your life. Now, how cool is that? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something that you can apply right away. If you did and want more, please subscribe to our channel below and check out our website for even more content, handouts, and free tools that'll take you from where you are to where you want to be. Until next time.